What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian with Mendez Mobile Detailing. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. You're not going to want to miss out on any future videos. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and continue on with the part 2 to this series, right? Buying everything we need to start our detailing business, you guys. In this video, we're going to go over all the products, you guys. We're going to go over all the tools in the first video, which you should have seen. If you didn't see it, click this video right here. If you guys want to see a part 3, make sure you guys like down below and get this video to 100 likes. All right, you guys, so we're gonna keep this video super simple, super short. We're gonna go ahead and log into Amazon, and we're gonna go ahead and start looking for our tools and products. So the first thing that we do have on the list is car wash soap and a foam cannon. So if you either have a foam cannon already or you don't have one, I recommend picking one up. So we're gonna go ahead and start looking for our car wash soap, and the soap that I recommend is the Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss. But if you want something a little cheaper, I do recommend another option, which is the 3D soap. Now this is pH neutral, so it's totally safe and it won't strip down any of those waxes or sealants that these cars that you're detailing may have. If anything, it's going to help you, enhance and shine your car a lot easier because you're using a very professional grade car wash soap like this one that I'm mentioning here, along with our exterior, because we're going to go ahead and keep this separate from interior and exteriors to keep things very simple and short for us to understand. We're going to go ahead and talk about the wheel cleaner and brightener. So what I like to use is simply degreaser, right? So I like to use degreaser for many options, right? While I'm working on the interior or exterior, degreaser is one of my go-to tools because it's very versatile. I can go ahead and dilute it to my liking to fit the proper use that I'm needing it for. Not only that, it's super cheap to just go and get degreaser. I can go get it anywhere. It's easily accessible, and I just love the option of using degreaser as a interior cleaner and also a wheel cleaner. Okay, so now that we have the wheel cleaner, now we need some tire shine. Now the tire shine is going to be self-preference, honestly, you guys. I do prefer you guys start off with something that you like to use, but in the if you don't have anything that you do like to use, I recommend maybe VRP by Chemical Guys, or maybe even All American Dressing, which I will show you guys here on Amazon if I can find it, and then you guys can make the best choice for you and your business. But either way, just make sure you get a good quality tire shine. I know it's kind of hard to find good tire shine nowadays, so I would just recommend checking out these. If you guys have any other recommendations, if you're a detailer out there, make sure you comment down below for all of us to also know what the best tire shine is and what you prefer to use for you and your business. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with the exterior. We're gonna need some glass cleaner for the exterior glass. Now we're gonna add glass cleaner. We're gonna see if we can find a pack, because we're also gonna use that same glass cleaner for the windows on the inside. Of course, there's no need to have two different glass cleaners for the inside or the out, so we're just gonna use the same spray bottle, and we're gonna just buy those in a pack. So once we have our glass cleaner, now we need some type of spray wax or sealant. You could buy one of each, but I just recommend maybe something like bead maker just to get you going. I believe that would be a sufficient amount of spray sealant and stuff like that. You can get a gallon anywhere from like under 50 or 60 bucks. So I recommend checking that out, getting some bead maker by PNS. And then we need some towels for both wax and wheels. So the reason why we want to have separate towels is because we don't want to use any towels that we're using on the wheels back on to the paint or any exterior surfaces. So you want to make sure that you have a different set of towels, different colors preferably, to distinguish between wheels and the exterior wax. And to top it off, we're just gonna go ahead and add a clay bar or clay mitt, whatever you prefer, just to kind of enhance our detailing and make us a bit more professional when we do add a clay bar to the features and stuff like that to our services. It just makes us feel a little bit more professional, and also it brings the client a lot more value when you are clay barring their vehicle when you're doing like a wash and wax or something like that. Okay, so now we have all of our exterior products. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the interior. Now this is my favorite part of the detail. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I love doing interior detail. Interior shampoos is one of my favorite and most satisfying things to do, is to do the interior. So I'm an interior specialist. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I feel like I am, so I'm gonna just call myself that, Mendez the detail specialist. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with interior APC, which we like to just use degreaser like I mentioned earlier. So we're gonna use super clean. We're just gonna dilute that down and use that for the interior, and move on to the next one, which is gonna be shine and protection. I love to use 303 aerospace. This is very highly recommend it from us because I love how it leaves that matte shine. And I just wanted to go ahead and also mention adding in some drill brushes. Right now, when you're using the drill brushes, you're going to use this for the carpet, you're going to use these for the floor mats, and this is why I added it, because when you're detailing the inside, you're also going to run into weather mats and stuff like that, and you're going to want to make sure that you have a drill and a drill brush attachment to be able to efficiently get that done. Just like the exterior, we're also going to need some towels. We're going to need some towels for the interior detailing and some towels for the interior windows and glass. So we're going to go ahead and use the same glass cleaner. That would be our finisher, would just be having a glass cleaner to the mix. Just because we already added it earlier, we don't need to have it again. We have it packed in our cart already, so that brings our total to this number right here. So hopefully you guys see how, you don't really need as much stuff as you might think. This is everything that you need to do stuff, right? This is everything, and maybe even more than what you need to start detailing and stuff like that. Honestly, you could probably just detail with a bucket of soap and water and try to get it done that way, or even just have a vacuum and try to get it done that way as well, with maybe a few brushes and towels. But I'm giving you guys good products, good tools, and some of these stuff I still use to this day. So don't think that it's something that you are going to use and stop using. You're going to continue using these products and tools over time. So hopefully you guys like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you guys check out part 1 and part 3, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Mendez out.